Okay. Question number 2 says, which comparison is not true? What I noticed about this is that this has inequality symbols, so it has less than, greater than symbols. And so I need a place value chart for each one of these because I could use a place value chart to determine which place value each of these are in, or I can go and just look at these side by side. Okay, so if you use a place value chart, you just create a place value chart. And you would label this. This is the ones place. This is the tenths. This is the hundredths. And this is the thousandths. So I could put the numbers in here. So I'll start with letter choice F, 3.375. And I'm going to compare it to this next number, which is 3.275. And we're always going to start on the place value that is greatest. And so when we're comparing ones and we have thousands, the ones place is going to be the greater place value. As we go to the left, our numbers get bigger. As we go to the left, our numbers get big. As we go to the right, our numbers get smaller. Okay. So this is important that you know this. So we're going to start with the biggest place value. And the biggest place value here is the ones place. And we're going to compare. So 3 and 3, they're both the same. They're equal. Okay. Next, I go to the tens place and I have a 3 and a 2. And I'm looking for which value is bigger. And I know that 3 is bigger here. So I know if the mouth here, like an alligator, is open to the bigger number, then it is correct. So this is a true statement. Now we're looking for something that is not true. Okay. So next I'm going to go to this next number. I'm going to show you a different way to do this without this chart. You can just go side by side. So as you can see, this has 4 digits here. This has 2. I can add placeholder zeros here. And then I can go and compare. This has a 6. This has a 6. These are equal. Okay. I go to the next number and I have an 8 and I have a 9. And I know that a 9 is larger than 8. So this statement where the mouth is going in the direction of the bigger number is true. So I'm going to put a T here. Next, I'm going to go over to this next number and I'm going to do the same thing. This number has 3 digits here. This one has 4 digits. So I'm going to add a placeholder 0 here. And I'm going to compare. I have a 2 and a 2. They're equal. I have a 6 and I have a 6. They're equal. I have a 5 and I have a 7 here. And I know that the 7 is bigger. And this says that the 5 is bigger because the mouth is going in the direction of the 5. So this is a false statement. Okay. And then last but not least, we look at these two and we're going to compare them. This has 4 digits here. This has 3. I'm going to add a 0 behind here. A 7 and a 7, they are equal. A 7 and a 6, and this is correct because the mouth is going in the direction of the bigger number. The 7 is bigger than 6, so this is a true statement. So the answer to this is H. So these are 2 different strategies that you can use. Remember, when you go to the left, your numbers get bigger. As you go to the right, your numbers get smaller. You can use a place value chart, or you can go and compare each of the inequalities one by one.